work your way backwards.
Yeah.
And then Julie, you duck and dive in below that rock. Yeah. Okay, touch your forward paddle on your left.
There we go.
There you go.
Knees all intact?
Yeah, knees are intact. I dove forward instead of taking a full-on header. Lift and push that back in. Push. It feels good though, doesn't it? Yeah, I think so too. Got a banged up shin.
Yeah, me too. You'll have to probably swing it back around for me. I think it's too deep.
Yeah.
Unstable.